Let's make it together. Open your Canva. And then from the left side, go to the elements. And write at the rate of I brandify. It's a code in the Canva to create avatars. Now you can see there are a lot of avatars to use. So let's select some of them. Adjust their size. And by using Canva, create your own design. Some of them are from the Pro version, so you can use the free ones. So in this way you can easily create banners or logo or thumbnails by using the Canva. Thank you so much for watching.